Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm bass fishing and I already caught one bass. So I'm just making sure that it stays recording. There we go. I already caught one bass, so I'm gonna record some fishing for you guys. As soon as I can get this on my shirt. Yeah. Found a tank behind my neighborhood. And I've already caught one bass out of it, and it was a pretty good bass, so I'll do some fishing for y'all. Sure hope y'all can see it. I don't know. I had a bite. Yep, the activity's good over here, guys. Yep, using a spinnerbait. I can't remember what brand it is, but this is a pretty good spinnerbait. Oh, I had a fish. Had one. Darn, the activity's good here. Oh, got one. Nice. All right, buddy. Ooh, this one's got that black pattern on it. Look at that. Yeah. Well, kind of got a little muddy. Look at that black pattern, though. Look at that black right there. That's pretty cool. All right. All right, bud. Let's get you back in the water. And I can't really bend over to set them in because that log gets in my way, and there's some weeds right here in front of me, and I can't really step over there. So I'm gonna have to throw them back like that. I'm just letting y'all know that for those of y'all that like to set bass back ethically. And I do too, trust me. That's the way that you're supposed to do it, that's the way I do it, but right here I can't do it. And especially in the spot I'm standing on right now. Oh, got another one. Oh, don't get, he let go. He was about to get tied up in the fence, so it's kind of good that he spit it out just that way. It's good. Darn. It's a good tank. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh, that one's full of eggs. Yep. Another nice bass. Yeah. You can tell from the belly. See that? It's full of eggs. Yep, it's full of eggs. Oh, skirt's kind of coming off. All right, bud, there you go. Make some more good bass. There we go. Just had to fix the skirt. Yeah, I got another friend I had to bring out here too. I have another friend that fishes. He'll definitely want to come out here. That's so far the only cast that I haven't had a bite on yet. That was the only cast so far that I haven't had a bite. sure hope you guys can see this. I think y'all can. Well, I got another rod right here. Ooh, something's taking the bait. I think. Yeah, I got a bait rig set out for catfish. Don't know what type of... I just discovered this tank not too long ago. Don't know what type of... I don't know. The line's just being pulled slowly. I see something swimming. Oh, ooh, I had one. This seems to be the spot right here. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Went over the fence. Yeah, there's kind of a fence right here that is across the tank. Oh, hey, and I got a fish. Oh, don't get out from under there. Come on. Oh, man. I think he's tangled up in the fence. Get out of there. I don't want to lose this bait. I can see the fish. Yeah. He's caught in there. Oh, I got him. Perfect. Oh, that's a nice one. There's a fence right here. Yeah, there's some barbed wire right here. Across the fence, yeah. I'm gonna have to go right here. Yeah. Yeah, this is just a cattle guard fence right here. Yeah, this is what's crossing the tank. It's a cattle guard. Well, that one's also full of eggs. Yeah. Nice. Well, that's my biggest one today. Yeah, look at that. Full of eggs. I bent my bait, but I can always bend it back. All right, bud. Well, I think I got something on that rod. Yep. I got something. Oh, no, I think I just lost it now. Yeah, whatever it was small. So that ain't the biggest loss. I don't know if there's any channel cats in this tank. I'll find out, though. If I catch one, I'll know for sure. Boy, is the bass activity good in here. Cast this side of the cattle fence for a little bit. I don't know, this fence area seems to be where they're hitting the best. From that time. All right. Whoop. Stepped on my other rod. I'm gonna get on this side of the fence now. Hang on. There we go. Ow. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Ow. I don't know. I plan on this being a long video as long as the fish activity right here is good. Ow. Okay, I'm good. Hang on. Okay. Had a small backlash in my reel. I think it's kind of crooked. There you go. I think that's better. I'm going to cast out towards the center. I think that was just weeds. Oh. Some weeds on my bait. Oop. There we go. I don't know. It's a pretty good tank though. There's a turtle. I think this is the first fishing video that I'm going to be uploading on my channel. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there's one. Ooh. A small one, but still. At least I caught one. He's fighting good though. Yep. Alright. Oh, come on. There we go. If I can get him over this log. There we go. Oh, okay. No, that actually ain't a bad sized bass, actually. Never mind. It looks small in the distance. Yeah, that one ain't too bad either. Yeah, that one's got a black spot right there. Don't know if you can see it, but it's got one. Yeah, that's about a good 15 or 16 inches right there. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. I hate having to release bass like that, but, you know, that's all I can do right now due to where I'm standing and what's in my way. I know I've already said that, but, you know, still. Alright, yeah. I don't know. And guys, if you leave any comments down below, if you bass fish quite often, I want y'all to tell me. I mean, I know this might be a weird question, maybe, but in the comments, I'd like for y'all to, like, answer. If y'all leave a comment, I'd like for y'all to answer if you can glue the skirts to the bait. Because I tried gluing a jig head to a body, and apparently the glue corroded it. So I think I'm saying the word right, and if you know what it means. But I want to know if y'all can leave a comment if I can glue the skirts to the bait. I'd like to know, because it would be a help if I could. Oh, those are just weeds. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get more bass fishing videos in this spot. Probably even over at some at the lake that's right by my house. It's actually a reservoir, but it's still, but I mean, it can be considered a small lake, even though it's really a reservoir, but they call it a lake. Oh, shoot. Okay, there we go. Just had to fix that backlash. Oh, had one. I forgot to set the hook. That happens sometimes. I know there's some of y'all out there that forget to set the hook too because you get excited. But maybe there's some of y'all that don't. I mean, I know there's a lot of y'all out there that do. You know, it happens. You get so excited when you hook a fish that you forget to set the hook. Oh, there's weeds. Yeah. I lost count of how many bass I caught, including the one I caught before I started making a video. And I see some fish activity happening where I am. Weeds. I can see some activity though. I apologize if I'm talking too much. Usually I don't talk too much, but you know. Oh, there's a turtle. Yeah, I apologize if I'm talking too much for you guys, but it rarely happens, but you know. Still, because in school it's a totally different story. I'm as quiet as a mouse in school. Alright, I'm gonna move down a little. Okay. Oh, there's something out there. Yeah. And over the summer, I'll also try to do some catfishing too. Some catfishing videos. I will do some catfishing over the summer, but I'm just gonna see if I can make a video. I probably will, because I go to the lake pretty often during the summer. Oh, had a fish. There's a dove over there. Yeah. Too bad dove season's over. I love dove hunting. Yeah, there's a few weeds. Well, not few, but there's a weed on there. Oh, get off of there. Ah, okay, there we go. Yeah, starting to get dark out, so fish maybe, fish activity may not be too high right now, but I'm not sure. They may be moving down. Cast over by the fence again. Well, I see some bait activity. I don't know if there is any channel cats. They're probably out here. May not be close to the bank, but maybe there's not. Could be those small bullhead catfish in here. I catch those a lot of time. This creek I fish at too. Yeah. There's some brush right here. A little risky, but I'm gonna cast by this brush right here. Oop. Oh wait, hang on. That's practically a big tree. I cast to the side of it. Oh, this is one entire fallen over tree. Oh. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Dude, I had a bass stop the bait, didn't pull on it, and then I saw him going after the bait, and then went around because my bait was going to the right, snagged it. I didn't set the hook in time though. Oops. Bit of a backlash. That was pretty cool though. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was pretty cool. Come over here. Once I get to this tree right here, this tree, probably gonna walk back that way. And then once I get back that way, I'll probably end the video. Just that way I don't make the video too long. But if you guys enjoy long fishing videos like this, leave a comment down below so that way I'll know. Cause if y'all like them, I'll make more of these longer ones. Oh, there's a bunch of weeds right there. Okay. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, and right here I'll be able to set this one in. That's another good one right there. There we go. Yep. That's a good bass. That one, yeah, this one's got eggs in it too. Not as many as the other one I saw. Oh, has some black on its tooth patch. Look at that. Yep. A little bit on its tail. Yep. Whoops. Sideways. Yep. A little bit on its tail. That's pretty cool. All right, bud. There he goes. Okay. Start walking this way now. Once I get to that cattle fence, I'll go ahead and end the video. And like I said, leave a comment down below if you want more long fishing videos. If you enjoyed this one, leave a comment. If you want to see more longer fishing videos, so that way I'll know to make more. I'm gonna make fishing videos, but I just don't know how many longer ones, like 20 minutes plus, that y'all want me to do. Don't know how many of them you want me to do, so just let me know in the comments. Even if I don't get any comments in time, I'll still make a few if I don't get any comments in time. But I would appreciate it if you left any comments down below. Oh, I saw a bait fish jump over there. I don't know what type, but there's one over there. There was something playing with it. I felt it. Try one more cast here. Oh, hang on. There we go. Oh, felt a little hit. Yeah, okay. Let's move down. Move down to about right here. Oh, oh wow, that's a big turtle. There's a big old turtle out there. You guys see the turtle out there? That's a big one. Don't know if you can see his head, but he's out there. It's a big old turtle though. And he just went underwater. Oh, had a fish. One more cast right here. All right. Yeah, there we go. That'll come off. There's good bait activity over there. Hopefully that's a good sign. I think I need to bounce the bait a bit more. Alright, we're gonna move here down to the fence. And after a few casts, or until I catch one more fish, I'll go ahead and end the video. Oh, there's a fish right there. Alright guys, so either after a few more casts or I catch the next fish, I'll go ahead and let you guys go. Yeah, weeds. Oh, why did I splash it in those weeds? Kind of a dumb move. Try to catch one more. Oh, crap. Oh, darn it. Why did I do that? Ah, crap. Well, I don't know why I decided to cast over there, but I did. Yeah. I may have to end the video right here. Yep. Well, that sucks. Alright. I lost that bait, but I got another spinner bait, but unfortunately it's at my house. Don't know why. Don't know why. Decided not to bring it out here, but okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked